Day 26. Kaaway ko, best friend ko na ngayon. To kita, dogo. Cute. Thinking. Actually, I've been thinking this every single day na I keep practicing spelling dahil dyslexic ako. Kaya lang, sometimes tinatamad ako. Ganyan nangyari, rarely na lang ako mag-practice ng spelling. I'm struggling on it really, really bad. As in, nahihirapan ako mag-decode, go-overthink ko and stuff. And nagkakaroon ako ng performance issue pag sa actualization na yung spellings. So, I can take advantage of yung Mylin, no? uh, boost ng exercise, tsaka yung learning curve na gusto kong mabuhay. Yeah, I've been thinking that na pagsabay ko yung memorization of spelling ng mga common words and practicing grammar at the same time while doing push-ups, sit-up, and so I can trick my brain to that I need to memorize all of stuff and all things that I'm doing is important. So yeah, just wanna share it. Mukad ang maganda yung araw, malimlim, konting liwanag lang. So good so far. Umuulan. Sana may pasok na bukas kahit Friday.